using a data card on this Fanuc Oi TC. That's the way around that we're going to plug it in, okay? Because it is a bit weird to know which way around you've got to plug it. And then I'm going to come across here, just get out of this. I'm going to go directory, move across until I see card, and that will show me what's on my card. Okay? So the file name is what you see underneath where it says file name. Okay, and then if we look across here, you'll see punch. Punch is where you're going to take a program out of the machine and to the data card. So I'm going to press punch, and I can tell it what I want to call it when it hits this. If I don't put anything in there, it will just call it by the same as the program number. So the program number is, I want to copy program 500. So I'm saying 500 OSET. Then when I press execute, it's saved that as program 500. So if I wanted to save that, for example, as YL, and I say that's my file name, and then I could say I could do the same program because it won't say any problems because it's calling it something different. So I could put 500 and I put OSET. When I press execute, let's put that in as YL. Okay. So now let's go the other way. So when we look at this file read, we've got file search, which is just to search for it. F read means we're going to read from these numbers down here. That's what we're going to read in. If we go N read, that means we're actually going to tell it the file name. So N read means name read, and punch is punch, but we're not doing that yet. So if we go N read, what you can do then is you can say, for example, put that Y out, shift Y, shift L. So name set, that's the name. And what am I going to read it in as? So I can rather read it in as its existing number, or I can give it a new one. I'm going to go 666, and I'm going to say OSET. So that's reading that in and putting it as program 66. And then I'm going to press execute. And if you switch over here, you see it's read that in as 666. So let's look again. So we'll go for program, that's the directory, root card. And if you do it like this, if you say F read, you're actually inputting that number down there. So if I said, for example, program 7, so number 7, not program 7, number 7, and set that as the file, and I'm going to put that in as 444 OSET, and then press execute, saying memory card error. Oh, that's a text file, it doesn't like that. Let's just cancel that. So I'm going to say F read, and this time I'll put number 2 F set, and I want to read it in as 555 OSET. Press execute. Now when I look, there's 555 come up as that program.